Noise Trinity. Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse. Sound like corpse, corpse, horse, and worse. I will keep you Susie, busy, make your head with heat grow dizzy. Tear in eye, your dress will tear, so shall I. Oh, hear my prayer. Just compare heart, beard and heard, dice and diet, lord and word, sword and sword, retain and retain. Mind the latter how it's written. Now I surely will not plug you with such words as pluck and but we be careful how you speak. Say break and stick, but bleak and streak. Cloven, oven, how and low. Script, receipt, show, poem and toe. Hear me say, devoid of trickery, daughter, laughter, and tersecore, typhoid, measles, topsails, isles, exiles, similes, and revals, scholar, vicar, and cigar, solar, mica, war, and far. 1. Anemone, Balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel. Gertrude, German, wind and mind. Sin, Melpomene, mankind, belay, does not rhyme with ballet. Bouquet, wallet, mallet, chalet, blood and flood are not like food, nor is mold like should and would. Viscous, viscount, loud and broad, toward, to forward, to reward, and your pronunciation's okay when you correctly says croquet. Rounded, wounded, grieve and sieve, friend and fiend, alive and live. Ivy, freebie, famous, claymore, and enamor rhyme with hammer, rival, thumb, bump, camp. Dull and roll, and some and home, strangers, does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour with languor, souls but foul, hunt but aunt. Font, front, want, grand, and grant. Shoes, gus, dust, now first says finger, and then singer, ginger, linger. Real, zil, mauve, guz, gauge, and gudge. Marriage, foliage, mirage, and age. Carry does not rhyme with bury, nor does fury sounds like beauty. Does loss, post, and dot, clot, lot, job, nub, bosom, transom, ought, thought. The differences seem little. We say actual, but victual, refer, does not rhyme with defer. Fulfer does and zephyr, heifer, mint, pint, senate, and sedate. Dul, bull, and George ate late. Scenic, Arabic, Pacific, science, conscience, scientific, liberty, library, have, and heaven, racial, ache, mouth's ache, 11, we say hallowed but allowed. People, leopard, towed, but vowed, mark the differences moreover between mover, cover, clover, leeches, breeches, wise, precise, chalice, but police and lies, camel, constable, unstable, principal, deceivable, label. Petal, panel, and canal, with surprise plate, promise, pal, worm and storm, chase, chaos, chair, senator, spectator, mayor, tour, but are, and secure for gas, alas, and Arkansas, see idea, Korea, aria, Salm, Maria, but malaria, youth, south, southern, cleans and clean, doctrine, Topentine, marine, compare alien with Italian, dandelion and battalion, Sally with Ali, ye, I, way and key, say aber but ever, fever. Neither leisure's clean, deceiver, heron, granary, canary, crevice and device, and airy face, but preface, not efface. Pelm, gilmatic as glass, bus, large but target, gene, give, verging, out, just and skewer, scourging, ear but earn and wear and tear. Do not rhyme with here but ear. 7 is right, but so even hyphen rotten nephew, Stephen monkey donkey, torque and jerk, as grasp, wasp, and cork and work, pronunciation think of sight. Is a failing stout and spiky? Won't it make you lose your wits? Writing groats and saying grits it's dark, abyss or tunnel. Strewn with stones, Towed, Solas, Gunwale, Islington, and Isle of Wight. Housewife, verdict, and indict. Finally, which rhymes with enough thought, true, plot, or do, or caught, high caught, has the sound of cup. My advice is to give up. Thank you for listening.